time to open my box. Oh.
This is what I got. The platinum. Well, not platinum.
Aliana, can you even open
Patch.
the patch
The
here is hard.
patch card.
Ooh,
Here, one
that's
more.
hard. I got it now.
Be careful.
Oh,
Don't
it's
get
done.
enough.
How can you
Well,
know?
we'll set this out here. We'll just keep it here.
That's good. Okay, now let's just pull this out.
Just leave space for other cards. All right.
And the cap.
That was the best one from last time. Okay. Oops. Here's your patch card. Look out. Go like yours.
Ta-ta.
All right. There's your patch card. Nope. Stack them up. All right. We're just gonna go in order here. Got 7 of these. Which one's going first? There we go.
This one's the lucky one. This is going to be the lucky one.
Yep.
I think my
I
pack
feel
just
like
got
this
better
is
and
going to
better.
be the lucky one. I always feel like the first ones are going to be lucky. You don't fast, but you know, right? Yeah, but I don't know how to get this over here.
I'll help you.
Got it. Oh. Okay. Thank you.
Be careful. Hey, we got a Guardians.
Another Shane Beaver. Yeah. Oh. Another Mookie celebration.
Make sure to watch her for the rookies.
Oh, hang on.
Oh, she's coming up to a Cardinals.
Got one soda.
This is your signed card. Put it out. Put it. No, that's your signed card.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, do you remember?
Then.
All right, next pack. Yep.
That's quick.
Oh, that's cool. That one's cool that you pulled. Roberto Clemente. That's a nice card. That's awesome. Just leave that.
Whip.
Here, can I have it?
He already whipped it. He already whipped it.
All right.
That's a good way to open it, you know. Oh, open it.
Be careful. Give me it. Give me it. I'm gonna help.
Guys, Aliana, keep the cards up here. You need to see it.
Aliana.
Careful.
There you go. Don't fight, guys. Ooh, nice. Nice. Nice.
Oh, that's nice. Let me see. Move
Wait.
your thumb. No, this one right here.
Move
What's
your-
your next one? Ooh, all right.
And another name one.
Is that what?
Oh, hey, there's Aaron Judge. That's a cool. That's nice. That's a nice Aaron Judge. Look
Yeah,
at
but
that.
Daddy,
In the
look at
classic
this.
style.
Look at this one. What does this say? Daddy, what does
It's
this
the
say?
Mets. That's the team. That's
Ooh, that's the pen. I'm going to have another alphabet. See? It's
oh, hang on. Let me get these out of the way.
Okay.
No, you have to stay in the center. So I just need to move these so that you still have a space to do this in.
You know you can. Oh, what's that?
Oh, nice. And another name one.
Oh yeah, Chris Bryant. All right. Who's this? Josh
I don't know.
Donalds. No idea.
Honorable?
No.
Oh, Trevor Bauer. That's funny.
Socks. It's a fox and sock. It's a fox and sock.
There you go, baby.
Nope. Hang on. I'll get them. All right. Keep them up in the middle here.
Oh.
Set them up in the middle. What do we got? Oh, wait. Slow down for a second. Oh no, keep going. All right.
The Blue Jays.
What's
and
that?
A Cardinal.
That one's different. Paul Goldschmidt. Oh, that's your insert from the
Yeah,
from the contest, but that expired. So
What kind?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean that?
yeah.
Where is my scratched off card?
Well, let's not scratch it off yet. We gotta figure out if there's anything we can do with them. If we can trade them in or anything.
Yeah, like if we can get. What should we do before like for 2022 if it was just going to 2022, Daddy? Daddy, what would it give us? Daddy?
I don't know. No idea what they would give us.
Maybe. Depending what it is, maybe
They usually do an online redemption, so if it expired, I don't know if they give you anything or not.
I hope that they give something.
Oh, that was Justin Verlander.
Oh!
Go gentle here. Let's see what we got.
Ooh.
Shiny.
I think that's
Chris
hers of this.
Hoskins.
I think that's the one that she got of
To
mine then.
$4.99. Okay, similar. No
I think
idea.
I think that's her of this insert.
I just don't know who Chris Hoskins is. Ree.
Can I help you?
Or platinum.
Yeah.
Pack.
It's to $4.99. So that's a,
The back of the card.
yeah. Hang on.
Oh, okay. I'm not gonna stop my card.
What does the P stand for on this card? Daddy? Daddy?
Oh, hang on. Okay, keep going. Yeah. Whoa, what's that?
Whoa.
Wow,
Never
look
been
at that. Oh, that's cool. That's super cool. Hold up. Stop going through these. I got the thing up here. Just look at that. I keep these down. Oh, Cal Ripken Jr. 2020 Topps Icon autograph card. Is that actually... Oh, it's a printed autograph. That's a bummer that it's not a real autograph.
I don't think they have real autograph.
Yeah. It's not autographed again, so that's kind of a bummer. I see.
Can it be autographed again?
Huh?
Could it be autographed? Could
Guys,
it be?
oh yeah, that's not good, girls. Alright, so, just wait. Alright. Yeah, I don't know how rare this is, or, it's not numbered, so, we'll see. Let's go through, Garrett Cole, alright, that's nice. Let's see, who do we have here? Whoa, what's this? Hold up. Ooh, okay, pause for a second. I gotta read what this
Yeah,
is.
we better pause.
What is that? History of Topps. First Topps all rookie team. Rookies
I'm getting
rejoice.
the lucky ones right now.
Oh, well, it's the first. It's a tribute. It's a tribute to the first Topps all rookie team.
Oh, I got some.
It's when they
cards of
started
Topps.
using the icons. So
Oh,
that's
I have
neat.
I have some of them
I
with
mean,
the icons on
I don't
them.
know that this is like
And
super.
then they-
Aliana, just hang on a second.
But look at this, Cardinals.
We'll at least sleeve it. I mean, that's pretty neat.
Look at the
What
Cardinals.
about this? Hot cake.
What about this? Right. Oh, that's a Topps Chrome insert. Paul Goldschmidt. Okay.
Is that her version of this, Daddy?
Yeah, looks like it. We'll at least sleeve it. It's Topps Chrome. Those get scratched super easy, so we'll keep it nice.
Okay.
We'll at least sleeve it and keep it nice. Okay. Oh, you're down to that. All right. Hang on. What do
Oh,
we
yeah,
got
that's
here?
hers of
Oh,
not
Clayton Kershaw. Oh, that's a nice.
Clayton?
Clayton Kershaw. Yeah. That's a really good picture.
Clayton? Clayton. What the heck is this?
Not
It's your
that.
bag.
Not that Clayton. All right.
Clayton plays.
No, he doesn't. Whoa, what do we got? Steve Carlton. All right.
Carlton.
Aliana. Okay. Well, we had some interesting polls in this one. We got one more to go. Aliana, look down. We got one more to go here.
Where?
So, no, with Amalia. So we're gonna just switch it out real quick. Aliana.
We just need to
Fools.
get the place